بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا.
We have indeed granted a clear victory for you, O beloved,
ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما.
so that Allah may, for your sake, forgive the sins of your former ones and of your latter ones, and complete His favors upon you, and show you the straight path,
وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا.
and Allah may provide you enormous help.
هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما.
It is He who sent down tranquility into the hearts of the believers, so that they may increase, i.e., strengthen in faith along with their existing faith. And only to Allah belong the armies of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is all-knowing, ever-wise.
ليدخل المؤمنين والمؤمنات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ويكفر عنهم سيئاتهم وكان ذلك عند الله فوزا عظيما.
In order that He may admit the believing men and the believing women into the gardens beneath which rivers flow, wherein they abide forever, and to relieve them of their misdeeds. And this is the supreme success according to Allah.
ويعذب المنافقين والمنافقات والمشركين والمشركات الظانين بالله ظن السوء عليهم دائرة السوء وغضب الله عليهم ولعنهم وأعد لهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
And in order to punish the hypocrite men and the hypocrite women and the polytheist men and the polytheist women who have evil thoughts concerning Allah, only upon them is the evil turn of destruction. And Allah inflicted wrath upon them and cursed them and prepared hell for them, and what an evil end.
وَلِلَّهِ جُنُودُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَزِيزًا حَكِيمًا.
And only to Allah belong all the armies of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is most honorable, ever wise.
أرسلناك شاهدا ومبشرا ونذيرا.
We have indeed sent you, O beloved, as a present eyewitness, i.e., Hazir and Nazir, and a conveyor of glad tidings and a warner.
لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتعزروه وتوقروه وتسبحوه بكرة وأصيلا.
In order that, O people, you may believe in Allah and His Messenger, and honor and revere the Messenger, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, and you should glorify Allah morning and evening.
إن الذين يبايعونك إنما يبايعون الله يد الله فوق أيديهم فمن نكث فإنما ينكث على نفسه ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله فسيؤتيه أجرا عظيما.
Those who pledge allegiance to you, O beloved, they actually pledge allegiance to Allah. Allah's hand of power is above their heads, so whoever breaches the covenant, he has breached a big covenant of His. and whoever fulfills the covenant which he made with Allah, so very soon Allah will bestow upon him a great reward.
سيقول لك المخلفون من الأعراب شغلتنا أموالنا وأهلنا فاستغفر لنا يقولون بألسنتهم ما ليس في قلوبهم قل فمن يملك لكم من الله شيئا إن أراد بكم ضرا أو أراد بكم نفعا بل كان الله بما تعملون خبيرا.
The dwellers of the desert, i.e. Bedouins, who had stayed behind, will now say to you that our wealth and our families prevented us from going by keeping us preoccupied. Now, O Prophet, seek forgiveness for us. They utter with their tongues that which is not in their hearts. Say you, O beloved, so does anyone have power over you against Allah if he wills to harm you or intends goodness for you? Rather, Allah is aware of your deeds.
بل ظننتم أن لن ينقلب الرسول والمؤمنون إلى أهليهم أبدا وزين ذلك في قلوبكم وظننتم ظن السوء وكنتم قوما بورا.
Rather, you had assumed that the messenger and the Muslims will never return to their homes, and you considered this to be good within your heart, and you had evil thoughts, and you were a people about to be ruined.
ومن لم يؤمن بالله ورسوله فإنا أعتدنا للكافرين سعيرا.
And whoever does not accept faith in Allah and His beloved messenger, so we have indeed kept prepared a blazing fire for the disbelievers.
ولله ملك السماوات والأرض يغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
And for only Allah is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. He may forgive whomsoever He wills and punish whomever He wills. And Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
سيقول المخلفون إذا انطلقتم إلى مغانم لتأخذوها ذرونا نتبعكم يريدون أن يبدلوا كلام الله قل لن تتبعونا كذلكم قال الله من قبل فسيقولون بل تحسدوننا بل كانوا لا يفقهون إلا قليلا.
Those who had stayed behind will now say, when you go to receive the spoils of war, so also let us follow you. They wish to change the words of Allah. You say, O beloved, you shall never come with us. This is already decreed by Allah. So they will now say, but you envy us. Rather, they were not understanding except a little.
قل للمخلفين من الأعراب ستدعون إلى قوم أولي بأس شديد تقاتلونهم أو يسلمون فإن تطيعوا يؤتكم الله أجرا حسنا وإن تتولوا كما توليتم من قبل يعذبكم عذابا أليما.
Say, O beloved, to the dwellers of the desert, i.e. Bedouins who stayed behind, you will soon be called against a strongly fighting nation, that you fight against them or they become Muslims. Then if you obey, Allah will give you a good reward. And if you turn away the way you had turned away before, so He will punish you with a painful punishment.
ليس على الأعمى حرج ولا على الأعرج حرج ولا على المريض حرج ومن يطع الله ورسوله يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ومن يتول يعذبه عذابا أليما.
There is no hardship upon the blind, nor any blame on the crippled, nor any reprimand upon the sick. And whosoever obeys Allah and His beloved Messenger, Allah will admit him into the gardens beneath which rivers flow. And whoever turns away, He will punish him with a painful punishment.
لقد رضي الله عن المؤمنين إذ يبايعونك تحت الشجرة فعلم ما في قلوبهم فأنزل السكينة عليهم وأثابهم فتحا قريبا.
Indeed, Allah became content with the believers when they pledged allegiance to you beneath that tree. So He knew what was in their hearts. He henceforth sent down tranquility upon them and rewarded them with a near forthcoming victory.
ومغانم كثيرة يأخذونها وكان الله عزيزا حكيما.
And plenty of spoils of war which they will take, and Allah is most honorable, ever wise.
وعدكم الله مغانم كثيرة تأخذونها فعجل لكم هذه وكف أيدي الناس عنكم ولتكون آية للمؤمنين ويهديكم صراطا مستقيما.
And Allah has promised you plenty of spoils of war that you will take. So He has bestowed this upon you quickly and restrained the hands of people from you. And for this reason, that it may be a sign for the believers and to guide you on the straight path.
وأخرى لم تقدروا عليها قد أحاط الله بها وكان الله على كل شيء قديرا.
And one more which was not within your power, that is within Allah's grip, and Allah is able to do all things.
ولو قاتلكم الذين كفروا لولوا الأدبار ثم لا يجدون وليا ولا نصيرا.
And if the disbelievers fight with you, so they will definitely turn their backs from fighting with you, then they will not find any supporter nor any helper.
سنة الله التي قد خلت من قبل ولن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا.
This is the tradition of Allah which is continuing from before, and you will never find the tradition of Allah changing.
وهو الذي كف أيديهم عنكم وأيديكم عنهم ببطن مكة من بعد أن أظفركم عليهم وكان الله بما تعملون بصيرا.
And it is He who restrained their hands from you and restrained your hands from them in the valley of Makkah after having given you control over them, and Allah sees your actions.
هم الذين كفروا وصدوكم عن المسجد الحرام والهدي معكوفا أن يبلغ محله ولولا رجال مؤمنون ونساء مؤمنات لم تعلموهم أن تطؤوهم فتصيبكم منهم معرة بغير علم ليدخل الله في رحمته من يشاء لو تزيلوا لعذبنا الذين كفروا منهم عذابا أليما.
They, the disbelievers of Makkah, are the ones who disbelieved and prevented you from the sacred mosque and stopped the sacrificial animal from reaching their place. And were it not for some Muslim men and Muslim women whom you do not know, in case you trample them and unknowingly incur something unpleasant from them, we would have henceforth permitted you to slay them. This respite for them is for this reason, that Allah may admit into His mercy whomsoever He wills. If they, i.e., the Muslims, became separated from that place, we would have consequently indeed punished the disbelievers amongst them with a painful punishment.
إذ جعل الذين كفروا في قلوبهم الحمية حمية الجاهلية فأنزل الله سكينته على رسوله وعلى المؤمنين وألزمهم كلمة التقوى وكانوا أحق بها وأهلها وكان الله بكل شيء عليما.
When the disbelievers had kept stubbornness in their hearts, the same stubbornness of the days of ignorance, so Allah sent down His tranquility upon His beloved messenger and upon the believers and decreed upon them the word of piety, and they were more deserving and suitable for it, and Allah is the all-knowing.
لقد صدق الله رسوله الرؤيا بالحق لتدخلن المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين محلقين رؤوسكم ومقصرين لا تخافون فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا.
Allah has indeed made the truthful dream of His beloved messenger come true. Indeed, you will definitely enter the sacred mosque, if Allah wills, in safety, with your heads shaven or hair cut short, without fear. So, He knew what you know not, and has henceforth placed another near forthcoming victory before this.
هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله وكفى بالله شهيدا.
It is He who has sent His beloved messenger with guidance and the true religion in order to make it prevail over all other religions, and Allah is a sufficient witness.
محمد رسول الله والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم تراهم ركعا سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة ومثلهم في الإنجيل كزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلظ فاستوى على سوقه يعجب الزراع ليغيظ بهم الكفار وعد الله الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات منهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما.
The beloved Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, and those with him are stern with the disbelievers and tender-hearted amongst themselves. You will see them bowing and falling in prostration, seeking Allah's benevolence and His contentment. Their signs are on their faces by the marks of prostrations. This attribute of theirs is mentioned in the Torah, and their attribute is mentioned in the Injil, like the cultivation which grew its shoot, then strengthened it, then thickened, then stood straight upon its stem, making the farmers content, in order that the hearts of the disbelievers may burn due to these excellences. Allah has promised forgiveness and a great reward to those amongst them who have faith and do good deeds.
صدق الله العظيم.